World of Toys TV.
Adidas and Pokemon Collaboration Sneakers. On sale January 22, 2020. Which sneakers are popular? Ranking announcement. Pokemon Center Shibuya February 16. Shooting. Pokemon is drawn on the midsole. Pokemon is also drawn on the insole. It's a simple design. It seems that the number of drawn Pokemon is fixed. Adidas logo and Pokemon are drawn on the heel. Outsole has colorful camouflage pattern. Looks like normal sneakers when viewed from the front of the shoes. Pokemon of 8-bit graphics is cool. Graphic Pikachu for the upper. 8-bit graphic of Pokemon from Kino area on the insole. 8-bit graphics will make you feel less childish. Like other things, the Pokemon logo is drawn on the tongue. Where you can buy these sneakers? With Pokemon Center Shibuya. With Pokemon Center Tokyo DX. With Pokemon Center Osaka. And the Pokemon online shop. Adidas retail store. By the way, Pokemon collaboration sneakers released in 2019. Pikachu and Squirtle embroidery throughout the upper. Adults may shy away from being a little childish. Then the top sneakers. This is the most popular sneaker. A lot of foreign tourists spot. The second most popular sneakers. Pikachu has a big presence. The third is this sneaker. It doesn't feel like a Pokemon. Looks like this when worn. We also bought
up.